Hi friends, welcome to our next video. In this video, we will understand distance and directions. In this video, we will solve 5 questions. First 2 questions will be of easy level, next 2 questions will be of medium level, and the last question will be of Pythagoras theorem. So let us start distance and directions. Question number 1. One morning, Uday and Vishal were talking to each other face to face at a crossing. If Vishal's shadow was exactly to the left of Uday, which direction was Uday facing? Options are A. East, B. West, C. North, and D. South. Suppose this is Vishal and this is Uday facing each other. Okay, so Vishal's left hand side will be this side and Vishal's right hand side will be this side. Uday's left hand side will be this side and Uday's right hand side will be this side. Okay, now it is given that Vishal's shadow is exactly at left of Uday, that means this side. This is the shadow of Vishal to the left hand side of Uday. So what is the time of the day? The time of the day is, it is morning. And we all know that in the morning, sun remains in the east. So this is east and the shadow is at west. So according to this diagram, this side is east, this is west, so obviously this is south and this is north. Okay, because when we are facing towards east, our right hand side is south and our left hand side is north, so this is south and north. Okay, so which direction is Uday facing? Uday is facing towards north. Our correct option is option C, it is north. Question number 2. Y is in the east of X, which is in the north of Z. If P is in the south of Z, then in which direction of Y is P? In this question, let us first draw the direction. This is east, this is west, this is north and this is south. Okay, Y is in the east of X. So if this is the position of X, which direction is the east of X? This is this side. So the position of Y is over here. Understood? Y is in the east of X. Now X, this is in the north of Z. So this is the north. If it is Z, if the position of Z is here, then north is this side, that means X. So it is given that X is in the north of Z. Okay, so the position of Z is this. Okay, now in the question it is given that P is in the south of Z. So the position of P is this. Okay, so P is in the south of Z. This side is the south of Z according to this direction. Okay, so if we draw direction over here, this is east, this is south, this is north and this side is west of Y. What is the position of P? Position of P is in the southwest direction of Y. This is the southwest direction. Understood? Because this position is in between south and west. That's why this position is southwest direction. Understood? Question number 3. A man walks 5 km towards south and then turns to the right. After walking 3 km, he turns to the left and walks 5 km. Now, in which direction is he from the starting position? Options are A. West, B. South, C. Northeast, D. Southwest. A man walks 5 km towards south. This is the south direction. Then he turned to his left. If he is facing towards south, then this is the left hand side of the man and this is the right hand side of the man. So he is turning towards right and he walks 3 kilometer. Okay, now this is the left hand side of the man and this is the right hand side of the man. Okay, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. He turns to his left and walks for 5 kilometer again. Okay, now the question is to find out what is the position of this man now from his starting position. Okay, this is the starting position. So according to this direction, we can say this position is the west, this side is the west, this side is the south, this side is the east and this side is the north. So according to this diagram, we can say the position of this man is southwest direction. Question number 4. Rashik walked 20 meter towards north. Then he turned right and walks 30 meter. Then he turns right and walks 35 meter. Then he turns left and walks 15 meter. Finally, he turns left and walks 15 meter. In which direction and how many meter is he from the starting position? Rashik walked 20 meter towards north. Okay, now he turned to his right and walked 30 meter. This is the left side of the Rashik and this is the right side. So he walked 30 meter towards right side. Then he turned again his right side. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. He turned towards his right and walked for 35 meter. Okay, then he turned towards his left. This is the left side and this is the right side of Rashik because he is facing towards this side. Then he turned his left and walked for 15 meter. Finally, he turned his left and walked for 15 meter. Okay, now you look, this length is 35 meter and this is 15 meter. So if you subtract 15 from 35, so this length is 20 meter, which is equal to this length. Okay, it is the initial position of Rashik, it is the final position of Rashik, it is the final position and it was the initial position. So what is the position of Rashik now? Rashik is at east according to this direction, and how many meter he is away from his initial position? This is 30 and this is 15. So 15 and this is 30. So 30 plus 15, this is equal to 45 meter. So 45 meter is the answer and the direction is east. Question number 5. Rama walks 20 meter towards west. Then he turns left and walks 15 meter. How far is he from his starting position? Suppose Rama walks 20 meter towards west. Okay, then he turns to his left. This is the left hand side of Rama and this is right hand side. So he turns to his left and walks for 15 meter. Okay, we have to find out what is the distance of Rama from his initial position. So if we join this line, this is a right angle triangle. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. This is the hypotenuse, this is the base and this is the perpendicular. Okay, so by Pythagoras theorem, h square equal to p square plus b square. So h equal to under root p square plus b square. So equal to, here p means 15 B means 20. So this is 225 plus 400. This is equal to 625. So 25 meter is the final distance of Rama from his initial position. Understood? Hope you understood what type of questions come regarding direction sense. Okay. So for more such videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel.